Hey y'all, what's up? It's Katie Austin here, and if you have zero gym equipment at home, I wanna show y'all how to utilize what you already have in your house so you guys can work out at home, anywhere, anytime. All right, so first and foremost, get a dog, specifically a 10-pounder, perfect weight. Just kidding. I love you so much, though. She really is a perfect weight. Anyways, moving on to the actual first piece of fitness equipment. Love and behold, a chair. We love a chair for so many different reasons. Let me show you just a few moves right here. If you have your work desk as well, you guys can do this anytime, anywhere. Number one is a great tricep dip. The back of your arms are so hard to reach, so we wanna make sure we're strengthening them. Hi, sweetheart. So try this right here. Try about 25 if you're doing it at home. Then, what I also love is a seated cross crunch. So slow and steady, opposite knee to elbow tap, keeping good posture. This is great for posture exercise as well. Good for your obliques. And exhale every single crunch. Then another move that I love here as well. I mean, there's so many different moves you guys can do with a chair, but let me show you here. Making sure this chair is sturdy, that's very important. You guys can raise each leg up for some beautiful leg lifts to really make sure you're getting that perky booty, but also keeping your core in tight. Also, some cross crunches here are wonderful. All right, next piece of equipment is a stair. Honestly, stair workouts at home are one of my favorite ways to get in good cardio. So if y'all wanna get in good cardio, we have quick feet right here. You can also do some great step ups, either continuously alternating each leg or staying on the same leg right here, making sure you're just driving that knee towards your chest. Something else that I love is a lateral step up with a leg lift for those outer thighs. Then, something else that I love to do in the gym is a Bulgarian split squat with some weights, but no weights needed. Just place one foot on the back of that step, and if you want to challenge yourself, get that foot even higher, so go on like your second step there. We're gonna come down and right back up. Woo! Great way to tone your booty. All right, a piece of equipment number 3. Just kidding again. You're just too cute. Piece of equipment number 3, a pillow. And how do you use a pillow per se? Well, in college, I used a pillow actually a lot, seriously, because if you just place it, that was gonna sound weird, if you just place it in between your thighs, but seriously, watch this. All right, so what I love to do with a pillow is hug it tight, tight, tight in between my thighs. That creates a huge challenge and some resistance. So you guys can try some sit-ups as the pillow is tightly squeezed here, or you guys can squeeze it lifting up into a hip bridge and right back down. I love specifically working my abs with a pillow. There's so many things that you guys can do. So making sure you get creative is key. Next up, we have your coffee table book. Now mine honestly is pretty big and heavy, so I feel like the bigger the book, the better. So something along this size, fashion. Gosh, I'm such a fashionista, you know me. So first things first, I love to do a nice deadlift right here. And then after you guys have perfected the deadlift, the next move you guys can do is a deadlift to a snatch right there to work the entire body. Slow and steady. It is a perfect weight and size, the book. Then some more total body toning moves that you guys can do with the book. Reverse lunge, always an overhead press if you guys need. Right here, keeping the core nice and tight. Then what I love to do is just a basic squat to a press. One of my favorite book exercises. All right, last but not least, your stunning countertop. By the way, guys, I'm already breaking a sweat and getting in a good workout, so don't knock these moves until you try them. First and foremost, we have a push-up right here. So if you guys are waiting for your water to boil or something to cook, just drop down and give me 10 to 15 push-ups, because every little thing adds up. Then what you guys can do to make it next level is raise one leg, tighten up the tushy, and do the push-ups from there. Another move that I absolutely love, and I hope I have enough room right here to do it, you're gonna leg lift up, drive the knee again towards your chest, and right back up. It's a wonderful lengthening move, and great for your core, your upper body, and your booty. All right, y'all, so now you have no excuses about working out from home. So make sure you guys try those pieces of equipment around your house and let me know what you guys think. Oh, and subscribe to my channel. Mwah. I love you guys, and I'll see you next week.